Welcome back to MrYouWho, and here again. Great to have you back with us for another episode. Now, I'm really excited today to be reviewing the Soundcore Space A40, as you can see here. Now, I'm really excited to be reviewing these earbuds. We also reviewed the Space Q45 headphones previously, and found that to be an excellent set of over-ear headphones that really blew us out of the water. So now we're really excited to be reviewing these. You see, we heard a lot about these earbuds, about how under $100 you get a great pair of earbuds with fantastic ANC and sound quality. So in this review, we're actually going to go and test them out and show you how they work. We're going to go do an unboxing. They're going to go and wear them, put them on, test out the features, test out the app, actually wear them out at the gym, test out the active noise cancelling, and really show you guys how great these earbuds are. You see, you're going to find these a fantastic set of earbuds. The noise cancelling is excellent. The transparent mode is fantastic. The sound stage being balanced is absolutely fantastic. The app's brilliant. And sound and battery life as well. 10 hours in the earbuds and 40 hours in the case is excellent as well. You're going to be really, really excited. We also thank Anchor for sending us the Soundcore Space A40 earbuds as well, being able to do this review today. Now, if you wish to purchase these, there are links in the description below where you can purchase them. But also check out our other earbud videos and make sure you let us know what you think about the Space A40, but we really enjoyed reviewing it. Anyway, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for joining us here at MrYouWho. Well, here are the Soundcore earbuds by Anchor, the Space A40. Again, we're really excited to be reviewing these. We heard a lot about how great the microphones are, the sound quality, and also the adaptive noise cancelling. So there's a box. Again, very nice presentation, as you can see there. There's a bit more on the back about it too, which we'll go into a bit more detail, but very, very nice presentation. As we open up the box, and there are the earbuds there, come in the case. Now, doesn't that look lovely? Now, straight away, you can feel how light these are. They feel really light. Now, apparently the earbuds are about 4.9 grams each, which are basically nothing. So there's the case there. Look at that, isn't that nice? Now, you can see it's partly charged already. A bit more information about it. Now, the great thing with these is for 10 minutes charge, you get 4 hours of battery life, which is excellent. Again, you get 50 hours battery life with them in the case, and you get 10 hours with the earbuds, which is excellent. So there they are. Let's go a bit closer and have a look. Now, don't they look absolutely fantastic? So let's go and take them out one by one. Now there's the first one, there's the second one. Now again, they feel great quality as well. Let's put that to the side. I'll bring it a bit closer. So there's the earbuds there. I'll just take off the labels quickly so we can have a look in more detail about them. So there they are. Now they've got a very good ergonomic design, which you can see. Now when we're going to try them later, they do fit really, really well in the ears. Now these also use 6 mics for calls. So when you're actually doing calls, the 6 mics help get the best sound quality, even if you're in busy environments and even with wind noise. We'll go a bit more detail about how that works shortly. Again, they're very, very light. I mean, to pack 10 hours of battery life into these is excellent. Now, there's the earbuds as well. Again, you've got different size earbuds depending on what you like to use. That's there. Now, they do use Bluetooth 5.2. I did test the connectivity, and it's very, very good as you can go long distances without it dropping out. Now also, it does, as I said, the adaptive noise cancelling technology, which we're going to go through shortly, apparently up to at 98% noise reduction, which I can't wait to try out. So there's the case again. So you got left, right, you put them into. So again, there's the left and there's the right. Pops in nice and simply, close them. It does come with wireless charging as well that you can use, which is excellent. And they also have high-res wireless audio, LDAC, and Hear ID, which is a special type of high-resolution voice technology, which again we'll test, and you can use the app to adjust these as well. So go put more what comes in the box. So we'll just open this up. So there's the guide, obviously to how to set them up. There's the USB-C charging cable as well, which you can use. And there's the different types of earbuds you can use depending on the size of your ear canal. These ones I tried on actually fit really well for me, so I had no issue at all with them. But the presentation of these is excellent. They look really good. And I'm really impressed to see they've got so much in such a little package. Don't they look absolutely fantastic? Let's go and actually now go and turn them on and actually show them how they work in practice. Now, so how easy are the Space A40 to actually connect when you first open the box? Well, they're really, really straightforward. Literally, I just pulled them out of the case like this, and they connect automatically. It takes a couple of seconds. They're really, really good features. And as you can see there with them, we're going to go to the microphones shortly, but there's the microphones. Now all the controls are done through the touching of the earbuds. So if I put them in my ears now, I come a bit close to you guys. So if I put it there, put that one in there, and put that one in here as well. So essentially you control the music through pressing the earbuds. So if you hold these down for 2 seconds, it will actually activate the noise cancelling. Or actually activate the transparent mode as well. You can change tracks by pressing it or holding it down. You can use it to answer calls as well. It works really well. So that's how you control it. Now you can go through the app if you want to go and control the different settings. So if you want to change how they actually work. But I think the pre-settings work really well. The ability just to be able to change them. And they're very responsive as well. Now I actually did lay in bed with these when I was using them. And it didn't actually change the songs or change the music, which is good because I like to watch music when I'm laying in bed. But very easy to connect, don't take too long, and work very well as well. So I'm going to go now and actually test out the sound to give our thoughts about what the music are in these. But you're going to be very excited about how good the sound is in the Space A40. So how good is the sound in the Soundcore Space A40? We have to admit the sound is absolutely incredible, particularly for the price point. These sound a lot better than Apple Airpods. And the reason being is they've got such a great soundstage to them. So I listen to a lot of house music, London house music, and the sound is absolutely exceptional. The beats go in, you can hear it going up and going down. It really takes you with the music. And it's kind of an immersive sound experience. I found when I put the app on as well, it was really good as well. I think maybe it's because of the LDAC sound really improved it, but compared to a lot of other earbuds, these are exceptional. That was across pop, this is a classic music as well. As I said, I love London house music as well, and the music was fantastic, and it really felt like you're in there. Now, these don't have too strong bass, although you can up it with the bass increase function in there. I don't like a lot of bass, to be honest. I like to have a more balanced sound. But that said, again, you can change the bass if you want to. The music's really good. As you can see now, I was listening to these earbuds at the gym, and I couldn't hear any noise around me. The gym was pumping out the music above me, and all I could hear was these. And I love to do a good gym workout to some good music, so they sounded really good. The noise cancelling is fantastic with them as well, but for the price point, as I said, you won't get probably a better pair of earbuds for the sound. They really are good, and because they seal quite well in the ears as well, they don't move, so there's no noise leakage coming in, so you can actually hear them all the time with the sound. The sound in these is really exceptional. And we're going to look at the app as well to show you how you can actually adjust the sound settings depending on what your preference is as well. But yeah, I love the sound in these. It really is exceptional. So one of the things we're really excited to see with the Soundcore Space A40 was how good the active noise cancelling was. And we have to say this is probably one among the best noise cancelling of earbuds we've actually reviewed. You see, the noise cancelling works exceptional. They say it reduces up to 98% of the outside noise. And I have to say that really does work. I'm going to show you in a moment how they sounded on a busy road in Brisbane, how effective they were. But to be honest, I could do the cleaning at home while watching a TV, while TV's in the background, and not hear them. They sound really good. And you can also put on the adaptive noise cancelling as well, which means it adapts to the noise around you. So basically, if you go from a train to talking to someone, it can adapt the noise effectively as well. It really is fantastic. So anyway, let's go and jump now onto the road and let's see how it was like when I was speaking to someone and how I could hear the conversation. We'll also test out the microphone here with external noise as well. You're going to find it really is fantastic and right up there for the value for money. Here I'm on a busy road, and noise cancelling works really well. The person I'm speaking to I can hear very clearly. They can't hear any of the sounds of traffic in the background, and the sound's completely blocked. So all I can hear is them, and I can't hear any cars going past. Also, an ambulance went past earlier, and I couldn't hear the ambulance either. So sounds really good. Blocks out most of the noise from traffic, and they can hear me very clearly. And also the wind reduction works really well too. Excellent noise cancelling and very good for calls. You can also switch on transparency mode, which means you can actually talk to people while you've got the earbuds on. So you just hold down the earbuds here for 2 seconds and it switches transparency mode on. You can also put the adaptive noise cancelling on or off as well. Now with adaptive noise cancelling, let's say you get about 8 hours in the earbuds with using it, which is fantastic battery life, I believe. But they really are great for noise cancelling. See, I'm using it at the gym and they don't move at all in my ears, and this is because they sit really well right within the ears and the sound's really good. So they block out all the noise from the gym in the background with the noise cancelling, and because they don't move at all, they're very comfortable to wear for long gym workouts. They don't sweat at all, they sit really comfortably and don't hurt even for periods of long workouts. They really are great for sport and being active. Now we're going to have a look at actually how the Soundcore app works with the earbuds. So here's the Soundcore app in front of me. Now it doesn't take much. You actually just install it on through Google Play or through your Apple Store and add the earbuds on. It doesn't take much to do it. Now the great thing with the Soundcore A40 is they're multi-device pairs. So you can use them with 2 devices at once. It's quite good. Now if you can see here is the, so at the moment it's a transparency mode, which means I can actually hear the outside environment around me while I'm talking. Switch it across to normal, and that's the normal sound as well. Gives you the more battery life as well. And then we've got the noise cancelling, and we spoke a bit more about how effective that noise cancelling is. It really is good. If you have a look there, you can do the controls. So you can change the controls depending on what you want. So you can change the volume. You can change how the actual controls work. So you can use double tap for play pause. The hold 2 seconds. You can do the noise cancelling or transparency mode on there as well. Very, very effective. The other thing here is tier ID as well, which actually can tailor your sound to your age group. So it looks at how effectively you can actually do the sound and tailors around you is really, really good. Now here's the different sound effects. So I've got it to set to dance because I like to listen to a lot of dance music, as we spoke about earlier, but you can do anything from jazz through to piano, whatever you want. And it changes obviously the EQ settings. You can also do customized EQ settings as well if you want. So as you can see, you can vary it here and vary the sound as well, depending on what you want. So let's go stick to default and let's select that back to dance as well. Now the great thing with these, I use these for, also when I was on the watching TV, watching movies as well. They're really good. There's no lag with them, which is excellent. If we go look at settings as well, there's something on here called wind noise reduction. Now this actually worked really well when I was out using them in the wind. It cut down the wind significantly. It was really, really good. You've got different things on there like fit test to make sure the actual seal on your ear is good. You've got the different sound modes on there as well. I'm going to select LDAC. What I'll do is it takes about 10 seconds to restart. I'll show you later. But LDAC gives a lot better sound through the earbuds as well. It does use a bit more battery life. There you've got auto power on, auto power off as well. There's so many different techniques here. So I found this app very, very effective. It really did help with the sound experience and really helps with these earbuds at the price range to really accelerate them. It sounds really good. Really is fantastic.
As you fade away, yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain.
Well, holy moly, what an incredible set of earbuds. The Soundcore Space A40 really are fantastic. You see, these earbuds are around $100, and for that price, you're getting a whack load of features. I mean, really, to start with, the music's fantastic. It's got a very, very well-balanced soundstage. The music's fantastic, and it sounds really, really clear. Then it goes on then to the ANC. The ANC does work well. They say cuts out 98% of the noise. I think it really does. It's excellent. I also like the wind noise function. It cuts out the wind noise as well when you're listening to them. The microphone's great to use on calls. Sounds really good. The app's very, very easy to use. The comfort of them as well. See how they sit in the ears? They really are comfortable. They don't move, and they really do block out the outside noise. Now, you saw I use them for exercising, running around. They didn't move. Sounded really good. And they're really, really excellent pair of earbuds. I really recommend them. The great thing as well is 10 hours in the earbuds, about 8 hours with the ANC switched on, 40 hours in the case means you can get 5 times charging out of these earbuds. Really is excellent. I also love the features, how you can go and use the earbuds to change songs, to change music. It's excellent. So Soundcore, you've really knocked it out of the water with these. For under $100, with all these features and this quality of sound, they're excellent. And they're probably the best sounding earbuds I've had, particularly in this price point as well. You won't go wrong. So if you want to buy a pair of these beauties, there's links down below where you can purchase them. Make sure you let me know if you purchase Soundcore A40 as well. But also check out the Soundcore Q45 headphones as well. Again, excellent headphones, really great quality. Again, thank you Anko for sending me these. They really are fantastic earbuds, and I'll be using them much more in the future to begin with. They're really exceptional. Anyway, make sure you let me know what you think of the Soundcore Space A40. Any other earbuds I do, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for joining us here at MrYouWho.